Let's now talk about learning and learners, which are important elements of ELT classrooms. Learning may be seen as acquiring or getting knowledge or skill through practice, study or instruction. And teaching is a kind of help in this process. Teaching is done by showing your support to your students, by guiding students, by giving them instructions, or in simple words, causing them to know something. This is the goal of teaching. Breaking down the definition of learning, overall we could see that the learning may involve the acquisition of something. It involves retention of information about a certain thing, or retention of some information about the skills. Then it's relatively permanent, but it is always conditional to your memory. If you are more prone to forget things, your learning may not be that much. It also involves some kind of practice, and in most cases reinforced practice, and a change in behavior. Learning always causes a change in behavior. It could be any kind of learning, but a learning may be seen by a change in the behavior of the learners. Current second language acquisition research clearly shows that there are so many socio-political and socio-psychological factors which affect the learning, and among them the individual differences are prominent one. The differences between students and teachers, good teachers should be able to know the differences of ability, social backgrounds among their students, and also their socio-cultural awareness. How much their students are already aware and mindful of the cultural association of second language, for example English language, and how much is it related to their own culture. They should have a fair idea of their students' orientation towards these things. Individual differences include motivation, anxiety, learning styles, identity, their pedagogical beliefs, socialization patterns, then learning styles, communicative strategies, their ideas of success. All these factors help us understand our students, and they contribute towards their learning. For example, Dömyei believes that motivation has a great role to play in second language learner success. The more motivated students are, the more successful they would be in learning a second language. In contrast to this, it has been seen that learner with higher levels of anxiety might fail to learn a second language properly, or for that matter might fail to learn any other thing in classrooms, because anxiety is counterproductive in relation to learning. In short, we could say that competent teachers, they are always aware of the individual differences of their students, and while knowing them, they try to create such environment in their classrooms which is helpful for the students belonging to various language abilities as well as various language learning experiences.